Hello, my children. It's Anubha ma'am. I hope all of you are doing well. Today, we will do another letter. Letter Q. The sound that letter Q makes is qua. Qua. Let's begin. Ah! Who can tell me who this is? Yes, this is Elsa. She is the Queen of Arendelle. Q, qua, Queen. See this word, my children. The first letter, Q. Q, qua, Queen. Q, qua, Queen. The ducks in the park said, quack, quack, quack. Q, qua, quack. See this word? See the first letter, Q, and hear the sound it is making. Quack. Q, qua. Q, qua, quack. Children, when you don't know something, you ask a question. Q, qua, question. For example, Mama, which letter will I learn today? Or Mama, what am I having for breakfast today? Question. Q, qua, question. I am sure you all know which story this picture is from. Yes, the Hare and the Tortoise. The hare was very quick. Q, qua, quick, and confident that he will win the race. But tell me, children, does the hare win the race? He does not. He was overconfident. But yes, the hare was very quick. Q, qua, quick. The teacher asked the children to go for the dance class in a line, quietly. Q, qua, quietly. My dear children, when you go for your dance class or music class in school, what does the teacher tell you? Make a line and shh. Don't make noise. Stay quiet. Q, qua, quiet. Shh. He was feeling cold, so he used a quilt. Q, qua, quilt. Quilt means a razai that you take in winters. Quilt. Q, qua, quilt. Children, now it's time for a quick Q, qua, quick recap of all the words that we have learned. But first, look at this letter. This is capital Q in cursive. This is small q in cursive. And this is print Q. Queen. Q, qua, queen. See how the queen always wears a crown on her head. Duck. The duck said, quack. Q, qua, quack. Question. Q, qua, question. Shh, quiet. Q, qua, quiet. Quick. Q, qua, quick. The boy ran quickly. Jaldi se. Quilt. Q, qua, quilt. Very good, my children. Now it's activity time. Make your own quilt. Q, qua, quilt. Ask Mama to cut 9 equal squares from a plain sheet. It can be of any color. And children, if Mama does not have a plain sheet, she can even use a newspaper. Next, make different drawings on each square. You can make flowers, the sun, or any design of your choice. It can be anything. If you see the picture below, I made this with my daughter. She's about your age. So you can make anything you like. You can use crayons, sketch pens, even paint. Now, ask Mama to help you stick them on a plain sheet, even a newspaper. So it looks like a quilt with different designs. When it is ready, say the sentence, "This is my quilt." Q, qua, quilt. You can even make a picture of yourself sleeping in the quilt. See, like this. I hope you enjoy this activity and don't forget to send me pictures. Bye bye.